Agricultural fabrication of alkynes, alcohol, and ethers. Alkynes, alcohol, and ethers are some of the chemicals that are important in agriculture. But alkynes can play a role in agriculture because alkyne is one of the uses in how to make a production of herbicides. Herbicides are the chemicals that kill weeds with compete with for the nutrients, water, and also in sunlight. Alkynes are used in making herbicides that prevent unwanted plants from growing. On the other hand, alkynes are involved in the production of some pesticides that protect crops from insects and other pests that could harm them. Alcohol also important in the field of agriculture. It is used in some pesticides and herbicides. Alcohol acts as a solvent that helps to dissolve other chemicals so they can apply to crops. It is also used as a disinfectant, which is important for clearing the different farm equipment and tools to avoid or to prevent the spread of diseases and plants. Ethers are also used as solvents in the production of pesticides and herbicides. Like alcohols, they help also to dissolve chemicals so that they can be applied effectively to crops. Alkynes, alcohol, and ethers play different roles in ensuring the food security and sustainability. They have also a contribution to crop protection. This is also important, and they develop more effective herbicides to minimize the environmental impact. Alkynes contribute to the production of herbicides, and ethers are also serve as the solvent and one of the ingredients in fertilizers and plant growth. These three chemicals can help farmers to protect their crops and improve the production of the farm, that contributing to more effective and productive agricultural industry.